How to password protect a folder on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can password protect a folder on Windows 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. In order to do that, you need to head over to your browser, and in your browser, you can go ahead and search Wise Folder Hider. From here, you can see the apps from Microsoft Store. You need to simply go ahead and click on Wise Folder Hider. Or you can go ahead and find the same app in Microsoft Store. So you can simply go ahead and click on View in Store app. Now that you're here, you need to simply go ahead and click on Install option. And as you can see that Wise Folder Hider has been successfully installed in your computer. Now you need to simply go ahead and find the app and click on it. Now you can go ahead and add any passwords over here. Once you have added your password, you need to simply go ahead and click on OK. Now you can go ahead and drag and drop files or folders to the blank area, or you can simply go ahead and choose to hide folder from here and then go ahead and select the folder that you want to hide. If this is the folder that you want to hide, you need to simply go ahead and click on that and then click on select folder. And once you do that, your folder will be now hidden and it will be required password to open it. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.